Okay guys, so this is just a quick start-in for, or like either a short vlog or a starting for tomorrow's Christmas vlog. It's Christmas Eve, so yeah, and my dad said he's got something like behind his back. I don't know what it is, do I? No. So yeah, can I close my eyes, Dad?
Yeah, you can close your eyes. Close your eyes and you hold that.
What the hell?
Out.
What the hell? What the hell?
Okay, and do you want to read it now?
I am the one you don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Yeah!
Yes!
You've actually got 51.
Yeah!
What is it, Cal? Show everybody.
Play button.
This is a 50 subscriber play button.
Yes!
Happy with that? Right, what have
Yeah.
you got to say to all your subscribers?
Thank you! I knew he could reach 50 subscribers by Christmas. Yeah! High five! Cameraman!
Have fun,
High five.
cameraman.
Yeah!
Show everybody. So this is kind of not an official when you don't get this if you get 50 subscribers normally,
Yeah.
but
You need like 100,000 Special. in order to get what you feel.
yeah.
This is a special one.
But there we go. All right, mate.
Special one, yeah.
What do you say to your subscribers?
Thank you!
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. See you tomorrow, maybe.
Happy New Year.
Yeah!